Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a ThruNite T1. Now this is a brand new model that they have released, comes in this box, and of course they do sell these in their Amazon store. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. Now my sample here is a cool white, just to let you know. They also have a neutral white version as well. Comes with the user manual. So we're going to use the English version here. Multi-languages on the rest of it here. So as you can see, real small writing there, but it says 1500 lumens on this little tiny light. So if you need more time to read that, go ahead and pause your screen. Otherwise, we're going to move along here. And a little thank you note from ThruNite. One clip, which I will be putting that on later. You got a lanyard here with two O-rings. USB charging cable. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Here it is. Look at this, literally the size of your thumb. This little thing puts out 1500 lumens. Nice knurling type here, all in one direction. A little bit of heat sinking here. Here's the charging port. Button is almost flush. Gray bezel here. Now this is also magnetic, so you can place it anywhere you want. Pretty tough on that magnet, it's not going to go anywhere. Nice to be able to stick that to any type of metal object. Style and design on this is very nice. And the machining and finish on this is outstanding. Not seeing any issues here on this new model. It's got some weight with it. It does come with a battery, so it's a complete kit. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the shallow textured reflector here, running the Cree XHP 50.2 LED in here. Amazing on this light and the light output that this can do. I did test it out earlier before charging the battery, so let's wait no further. Let's open this up and I'll show you the insides as well as the battery that it comes with. Straight contact point on that head. Well greased threads. Spring down inside there, heavy duty. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the battery it comes with. It is a ThruNite 18350. So this is like half the size of an 18650. Now this is a 1100 milliamp. This is an 8 amp cell. Adds a lot of value to this kit, so you have a battery right away and you're ready to go after charging. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put this back together, and we're going to go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward on this, pretty simple as well, not really difficult. Now when charging, this will be red on the switch, it will be blue when finished. Now if it's blinking purple, there's something wrong either with the connection or the battery's in the wrong way. Want to make sure you double check everything. Alright, so now let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty simple on this. We're going to press and hold to get moonlight. Really low light output on that. Now when it's on moonlight, you can go ahead and press and hold this for 3 seconds, and that will now lock it out. So you don't accidentally have this little thing turn on, and if you had it on high or something, it's not going to get hot and melt anything in your bag. Can't turn that on. And all you do, press and hold that again till it comes on, about 3 seconds, and you're good to go. Now you're going to click it to turn it on. Really nice wide beam on this. It's going to be real floody. Now all you do, so you can see the blue light there, what that looks like. And when you want to go up in the light output, this has a ramping UI. It's really nice. Going to ramp this up. Slowly brighten it up. That's the highest output. Really nice and floody on that. A lot of light coming out on this. Then of course, that's high, and when you want turbo, double click that, get your turbo, 1500 lumens. And of course this will cycle down due to heat for its size, so a lot of light. Really nice large hot spot here. Not really much bleeding, but it's really large spill area, so this is going to be really nice combination beam. More on the floody side, definitely. Then now we can go ahead and triple click this to get strobe. And that strobe is a constant speed of flash. Then of course, if you click that one time, it will shut it off. And all you have to do is turn it back on. It does have memory mode, so it's going to remember high, is what we had it on before turbo. And then you can lower that down if you want to. Then you can easily turn this off, and you will see it memorizes the last light output you had it on, so it does have memory mode. And we can go all the way down, all the way up, and it'll flash there when it gets to the lowest of the low. And now when to go all the way up, it'll blink again, letting you know you're on the highest output on the ramping, that is. It's not turbo. Turn this back off, click it one time, and that's all there is to this light. Really simple and easy to lock it out. So we're going to go ahead and put the clip on here. See how this looks. That looks good. And this is a dual clip, so you go open it here, or you can open it there, so you can put it on a baseball cap, use it as a headlamp. Really nice. Alright, well let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the ThruNite T1. Pretty amazing on this light. Been enjoying it for a little while before I started recording. So So let's go ahead and get started on it. Turned it on. Real floody on this. Kind of look around here a little bit. That fence there is about 12 feet from where I'm standing. So now this is a ramping UI, so I'm going to go ahead and ramp it up here a little bit. And that water spout there is 35 feet from where I'm standing. Look at how wide this beam is. Just amazing. Great for EDC. That tree there is 65 feet from where I'm standing. See the beam on there, super floody. Now this is not going to have super throw on it, but it's doing real well before and after here. How wide that beam is. Just crazy wide. And we're going to go up a little bit higher here. Let's see how it does. Wow. All from this little light right here. 65 feet to that tree. There it is on the fence. Real floody. Gonna have a good 150 feet probably of range, usable that is. Alright, we're gonna go to turbo here. I'll see how it does. Wow. Here's a before, after. Incredible. There's a tree of life. All the way literally to my feet. Crazy. Faintly making the park. And I mean faint. But it is making it there. Do a beam profile. Look at how large this spill is. All the way around. From this little light. Right here. Do one more pass. Look at that. Incredible. Before, after, God said, let there be light in a tiny package from this little thing right here. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. And I put the lanyard on here. Just want to remind, just in case I didn't bring this up, it does come with an extra port cover for your charging port, that is, right there. So that's nice. So final thoughts. An amazing little light. A large amount of light that this can produce is pretty amazing. Now the 18350 battery is well known for having that better, higher amps as well as milliamps in the battery world, that is. So it's nice to see that they went with this instead of the 16340. So I've got to admit, this makes for a great EDC, and I have no issues or any complaints on this light. Really top-notch build and performance, and the reason why this makes a great EDC is because the beam is a combination of both flood and throw. A little more leaning on the flood side, but again, really top-notch on performance on this little light. All in all, this is a really nice flashlight kit. Got to take my hats off to ThruNite for this. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, You can look down in the description below. I'll leave a link to their website direct or their Amazon store. Now, their website directly will give you a 20% off discount, and I'll leave that code near that link. That'll help you save some money on this kit, should you want to get it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these ThruNite EDCs to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.